उसी का खून देता है तमाज़त नब्ज़े दौरां को, जो मक्तल में बरीदा सर उठाकर रक्स करता है, और उसी का फ़लसफ़ा ज़िंदा रहा करता है महशर तक, जहाँ में गैरतो पिंदार की खातिर जो मरता है।
There is only one Islam, and that is the Islam we follow of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is important to understand this. The Prophet lives in our hearts.
So, look, I mean, I don't want to sound argumentative, but then tell me if buying Russian gas is not funding the war? I mean, why is it's only Indian money and oil coming to India which funds, but it's not gas coming to Europe which funds? I mean, look, somewhere, I mean, let's be a little even-handed out here.
I find it disgraceful to my person and to my country to remain here a moment longer than necessary. But I am not boycotting. Impose any decision. Have a treaty worse than the Treaty of Versailles. Legalize aggression. Legalize occupation. Legalize everything that has been illegal till 14th or 15th of December 1971. I will not be a party to it. We will fight. We'll go back and fight.
And so would you want a Gaddafi or an Arafat or a Castro to be a future president of South Africa?
One of the mistakes which some political analysts make is to think that their enemies should be our enemies.
Habibim diye seslendiği efendilerin efendisiydi. O Hatemul Enbiya idi. O son peygamberdi. O Miraç'ta peygamberlere namaz kıldıran imamdı. O insanlığın kılavuzuydu, rehberiydi, önderiydi.